Another stock to watch out for is Ashoka Buildcon. This company, the stock is up 6%. It came out with decent earnings. Income from operations has come in slightly lower at 607 crore rupees, but the profit after tax has doubled to 13.6 crore rupees. To talk to us about the earnings posted by Ashoka Buildcon, we are joined by Satish Parekh. He is MD at Ashoka Buildcon. Mr. Parekh, thank you so much for joining us on NDTV Profit. What explains the pressure that we are seeing on the top line? It came down to 607 crore rupees versus 649 crore rupees. Which segments didn't perform up to expectations?
There is a dip in the EPC segment of 4%.
Okay.
And there is a dip in the toll collections for the year.
Right. Can you tell us how much of a dip have you seen in EPC and the dip in toll collections? How has been your BOT business?
There is a 4% dip in our EPC contract business.
All right. What about your BOT business?
In BOT businesses, one of the tenure was completed. There is a dip of 2-3% dip in the overall collection.
Okay. And Mr. Parekh, what is your current order book looking like at this point in time in your highway segment as well as power T&D segment?
Yeah, total balance order book is 3,500 as of March 31st. Out of that, 2,300 crores is our highway order book and 1,200 crores is power T&D.
Okay. So we saw that one of your project has been removed from your order book, which is Cuttack and Angul project. Could you tell us why did you do that?
We have given termination notice to NHI for Cuttack Angul and hence we are not considering in the order book.
Okay.
Right, sir. What about the problems with the Ahmednagar toll collection project? You are in arbitration with the government. You are not booking any tolls from this. How long will this continue?
The arbitration tribunal for Nagar Karmala is already appointed, and the entire process may take 1 to 1.5 years for the award pool.
Right. What was the execution rate like? Did you see any improvement? Because last couple of quarters, because of the monsoon, there was quite a drag.
Yeah, going ahead this year, we feel we will be able to cross 2,000 crores.
And can you also tell us your current debt level at this point in time?
Beg your pardon?
What is your current debt level at this point in time? Total debt that the
debt level on standalone basis, we have just 198 crores, and consolidated basis, 3,000 crores is our outstanding debt.
Okay, and when it comes to the outlook from here on for the next quarter, what kind of a number are you looking at? What's your outlook for the infra space in particular?
Yeah, in this quarter we are looking at least going a rise of around 20%.
Right. Your EBITDA margins have surprisingly come in high at 21%. How did you manage to improve the margins?
Basically, the improvement of margins are only because we had some exceptional expenditure last year, like syndication fees and all. Therefore, comparative margins are looking higher this.
All right. What is the outlook for EBITDA margins then? What level can you achieve in Q1 FY15 and the entire year FY15 EBITDA margins?
FY15 we will be able to maintain same as FY14.
All right. And Mr. Parekh, last question. You also signed a concession agreement with Karnataka State Highways Improvement Project. Could you tell us, could you give us some details on that particular thing and how is that going to impact your company?
Yes, it's an annuity project and we are expecting financial closure very soon for this project and the work would start in the next quarter.
All right. So the work is expected to start in the next quarter.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Parekh, many thanks for joining us here on NDTV Profit and giving us an outlook for the year ahead as well as how the quarter was for the company. Meanwhile, InfoEdge has also come out with its fourth quarter numbers.